Dad, why is Mom's suitcase by the door?
It's complicated, sweetheart. Please, just eat your breakfast.
Complicated how? Are you and Mom fighting?
No one is fighting, Owen. I promise.
Then why does Mom look like she's been crying?
Please, both of you cows, trust me on this.
I have to stay at Aunt Rosa's tonight. Just one night, okay? But why? Where is this coming from? It's hard to explain right now. I promise I'll explain everything soon. You always tell us everything. Why not now? Because some things take a little more time. I love you both. So much. Dad kicked her out. I just know it. Maybe they're getting a divorce. That's what happened to Zoe's parents. Don't say that, Owen. Don't even think it. Then what else could it be? Nobody will tell us anything. Mia, you look awful. What's wrong? Mom left this morning with a suitcase. Whoa, did they scream at each other? Was there a huge fight? No, not exactly. It was more complicated. Mom was sad, but not angry at him.
Mia, you've been very quiet today. Is everything all right at home?
I don't know, Mr. Diaz. Something's wrong, but nobody will explain it.
Try not to imagine the worst.
That's easy to say. Hard to do.
Sometimes the scariest stories are the ones we tell ourselves.
Mia! Look! There's a strange van outside our house. Oh, wow! What is that? What? Who are those men? Why are they carrying tools inside? Call Dad. Right now. He's not answering his phone! Why? What is wrong with our house?
Nothing dangerous right now.
Is Dad okay? Is he hurt?
He's completely fine. Go on in, he's waiting for you. But you should really talk to your dad. He's just inside. Mia. Owen. You're home early, Pass. I thought you were going to Zoe's house after school.
Dad, please, no more complicated. Just tell us the truth. Is Mom ever coming back?
Yes. Of course she's coming back. I am so sorry I didn't explain this properly this morning. Yesterday afternoon, a repairman found a small gas leak right behind that kitchen wall.
A gas leak? That sounds really scary.
It was too dangerous to stay here last night, so Mom went to Aunt Rosa's to stay safe.
So Mom wasn't kicked out. She left to stay safe.
I said complicated because I didn't want to scare you. That was my mistake. I should have just told you the truth.
We were so scared, Dad. We thought our family was breaking apart.
I am truly sorry you felt that fear. All finished here, sir. Completely safe to use the stove again tonight. Thank you so much. Truly. Just doing my job. Have a good evening, all of you.
Mom, we thought you were leaving forever. Leaving you two? Never. Not for one single day of my life. That's actually kind of amazing, Ty. Like a real mini emergency.
Amazing is certainly not the word I would choose, Owen.
Dad said it was a gas leak.
I'm sorry for being so vague this morning. I only wanted to protect you both.
I would always rather know the truth, Dad. A hard truth is better than imagining something worse.
That is a very wise thing to say, Mia. Truly wise.
Just the truth. Always.
From now on, in this family dough, no more complicated.
Even if the truth is boring, like a leaky pipe?
That night, Mia understood something important. Fear grows fastest in silence.
I've been practicing for weeks. I want it to be perfect.
I believe in you, Mia.
Chocolate layers and pink frosting roses on top.
It looks amazing already. Mia's having a big party this year? At a real hall? Yes! She's so excited! Bella is coming too, right? Of course. Bella can't wait.
A whole hall? Just for her birthday?
Bella, that's nice for your cousin. Be happy for her.
My birthday was just a small party at home.
Every birthday is different, sweetheart. Mia, you have frosting on your nose.
Oops. Taste testing is important, Mom.
The hall looks beautiful, Mia.
I can't believe this day is finally here. There, my cake is the star of the table.
You worked so hard on this. It shows.
Happy birthday, Mia! This hall is amazing. Thank you for coming. Let's have so much fun today.
Happy birthday, Mia. Bella, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi, Bella. Come see my cake. I made it myself. You made it? All by yourself? Yes. Chocolate with pink roses. Isn't it pretty? It's fine, I guess. Bella, come play the balloon game with us. Maybe later.
Wow, look at this cake. Did a bakery make this? No, Mia made it herself. Isn't that incredible?
Everyone always makes such a big deal about her. Nobody is looking right now. There! Now it's not so perfect. Oh no! The cake fell! My cake! Who did this? I worked so hard on this. How did it just fall?
Mia, this doesn't look like an accident. Bella, is that frosting on your sleeve?
I don't know how that got there.
Bella, did you touch the cake?
I pushed it. On purpose. Why would you do that, Bella? I thought we were friends. Because everyone always talks about you, never about me. My birthday was small. Nobody made a big cake for me.
Bella, why didn't you just tell me you felt that way?
Bella, I didn't know you felt left out. I'm sorry, Mia. I ruined your special day.
Well, the cake is gone, but the party isn't.
I I saw a bakery case near the entrance. Let's go look. These cupcakes look perfect for decorating together.
Bella, do you want to help me decorate them? You still want my help? After what I did? Everyone makes mistakes. Let's fix this together. I'm really sorry, Mia. I was jealous and that was wrong. Next time, just tell me. We're cousins. We can talk. These cupcakes look amazing! Even better with two of you working together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.